This side. Over the years, I have seen many developers struggles not because they are bad at coding, but because they were never taught the right way to write a code. Their code works, but it does not last, and that's what we are talking about today is code quality. So, hi everyone, I'm Jinal Soni, a founder of Crux Technology. Along with that, I'm sharing a tech insights while working with the different developers and project. One thing becomes very clear like most code quality issues don't come from laziness, they come from lack of guidance. So let's start with what code quality actually means. So many developers think code quality means writing advanced syntax, using complex patterns, and making a code look impressive. In reality, code quality means code that can understood by someone else and that can be changed safely and that behave predictably. So good code is quiet and it does not demand attention. So let's see what I have seen in the real projects. In many real world projects, file are doing too many things. Variable name is don't explain intent. Logic is copied instead of reused, and developers hesitate to refactor it, not because they don't care but because they don't know the long term cost. So let's move to the hidden cost no one talk about. So poor code quality does not break immediately, it shows up later, like small changes take too long, new developers struggle to onboard, and features get delayed, team avoids certain parts of the code base. At that point, the system still runs, but progress slows down. So, why code quality matters? So, it makes maintenance and manageable. So, project live for the years and code that is not readable today become a blocker tomorrow. So, quality code allows a team to fix bug faster, make a confidence changes, and release without fear. uh, it keeps teams aligned. Like when code is clean, reviewers are faster, discussions are clear, and decisions are easier. So code becomes a shared language and instead of personal style. So and other thing is it supports growth. As a project grow, requirement changes, teams expand, and system evolves. So code quality determine whether the growth feels smooth or painfully slow. And what experience teams focus on, like clear naming. If someone has to ask what a variable or a function does, the name already fail because good name is explain intent without comments. When you read a code after 6 months, clear name is saves you from the confusions and relearning your own logic. So code is read more times than it's written. Name things for humans, not just for the compiler. um, and another is single responsibility. Like when a function does a one clear job, everything becomes easier, like easier to test, easier to debug, and easier to change without breaking other things. So if a function feels hard to explain in a one sentence, it's probably doing too much. Small focus function is equal to a painful coding life. That is the single responsibility. And a consistent structures, like consistent structure is not about a perfections, but it's about a predictability. When your project follows the same patterns, like new developers understand code faster, teams collaborate smoothly, and reviews take less time, so your brain should not work hard just to understand where things are. So repeating patterns reduce mental load. And other thing is simplicity over the cleverness. So clever code impress for the moment, but simple code survive for the years. Like a readable code helps teammates, help a future you, and reduce bug and stress as well. So if code needs explanation to be understood, it's already too complex. So write a code to maintain, not admire. And a common misunderstanding I see is refactoring can wait, and only senior developers need a clean code, and it works fine, so it's fine. This idea usually leads to technical debt, not immediately, but inevitably. So good code is not born from the perfections, it comes from the awareness. So most developers are not writing a code initially, they simply have been guided to our better practices. So once that guidance appears, growth becomes natural. So if this sound familiar, you have probably seen it too. So share it with your teammates or juniors developers. Good, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning, stay connected.